This is Nadi Laimoud at Elliott Forex with your weekly overview for the British pound US dollar pair for the trading week ending Friday, 17th of February 2017. This week, we will go over cable's next probable movement and explore its highly likely Elliott wave counts. Cable has been clearly trading in a sideways manner from late October 2016, and since the basic technical analysis rules suggest trend continuation following a sideways consolidation, we will be focusing on support and resistance key levels. Main count expects cable to unfold downward sharply within a third wave, while the first alternate count expects cable to unfold upwards to complete a second wave correction. The second alternate count expects cable to unfold in a sideways manner to complete a triangle before resuming its downtrend to complete a 5-wave impulse. We will wait for either count's confirmation point to be reached to determine the highly probable count. On the main 8-hour chart, the main count expects that wave C maroon is unfolding downwards, and within wave C maroon, waves 1 through 4 black are complete, and wave 5 black is unfolding downwards as an impulse, with waves 1 and 2 blue complete, and wave 3 blue is at its very early stages. Wave 1 blue unfolded as an impulse, labeled waves 1 through 5 pink, and wave 2 blue unfolded as a double zigzag, labeled W, X, and Y pink. This count expects a series of first and second waves unfolding downwards. However, each series did not make new lows, therefore we do not have that much confidence in this count. And to gain further confidence in this count, cable should trade below 1.2383, and we have two targets for the completion of wave 3 purple. The first target is at 1.2361, as at that level wave 3 purple would reach equality with wave 1 purple, and if exceeded, the next logical Fibonacci ratio is at 1.2260, as at that level wave 3 purple would reach 1.618 of wave 1 purple. The short-term key level and invalidation point is at 1.2549, as wave 2 purple may not retrace more than 100% of wave 1 purple. If that upper invalidation point was met, we will move automatically to the first alternate count, which expects that wave 2 green is incomplete and that wave 2 green is unfolding as a double zigzag labeled W, X, and Y orange. Wave W orange unfolded as a zigzag labeled A, B, and C purple, and as well wave X orange unfolded as a zigzag labeled A, B, and C purple. For the short term, we would gain confidence in this count by movement above 1.2549, and the final confirmation point is at 1.2583. We have two targets for the completion of wave Y orange and therefore wave 2 green. The first target is at 1.2617, as at that level wave Y orange will reach equality with wave W orange. And the second target is at 1.2628, as at that level wave 2 green would reach 0.76 of wave 1 green. For this count to remain valid, cable should trade above 1.2383, as within wave Y orange, no B wave may retrace more than 100% of its A wave, and to remain intact, cable would have to trade below 1.2707, as wave 2 green may not retrace more than 100% of wave 1 green. We will move now to the second alternate count, which does not add much more value, but provide us with an alternate view for the recent sideways movement. This count expects that wave 4 black is incomplete and that wave 4 black is unfolding as a running triangle labeled waves A, B, C, D, and E blue, with waves A through C blue complete and wave D blue is unfolding towards the downside. This count would be confirmed by movement below 1.2346, and we have two targets for the completion of wave D blue. The first target is 1.2320, as at that level wave D blue would reach 50% of wave B blue, and the second target is at 1.2226, as at that level wave D blue would reach 0.618 of wave B blue. Since wave 4 black is unfolding as a running contracting triangle, this count would be invalidated by movement below 1.1986, as wave D blue may not exceed the end of wave B blue, and as well this count would be invalidated by movement above 1.2776, as wave C blue may not exceed the end of wave A blue. It should be noted that the invalidation would be moved to the end of wave C blue once we have confirmation that wave D blue is unfolding downwards. So to wrap this up, this week's key level for cable is at 1.2707, and as long as that level holds, bearish count would remain in action either as a series of first and second waves, and in that case, a sharp downwards movement is to be expected. However, if the recent sideways movement is a part of a triangle, Then we should expect a continuation of the consolidation and sideways movement to complete with 4 black before unfolding downward sharply to complete with 5 black and therefore with C maroon. And if cable break above the key level at 127.7, then the bearish counts probabilities will decrease significantly and bullish counts would become favored. That's all for me today. Happy trading and have a nice week.